guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was feeling really inspired and I just wanted to create this colorful, sparkly Valentine's Day look for all my ladies and gents out there. I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. I was feeling really inspired by the colors, and you know, Valentine's Day is just such a fun time. I think it's just like the whole month of February, you just get an excuse to feel all like, aww. So, you know, I feel like everyone deserves to just put some bold pink eyeshadow on their eyelids, whether you're spending it with a significant other, or just hanging out with the girls, or spending it alone in your room eating Halo Top out of a carton with a ladle. I feel like everybody should take the day to just love themselves or someone else, and just, you know, and even though it is a Hallmark holiday, probably just made to make some profit, we can still spread the love. Okay, I'm done talking now. Let's just get started. My face is already primed, my brows are on, and then I went ahead and primed my eyelids with concealer. And I'm actually not going to set them or anything yet, just because I feel like I always get the best color payoff when I don't. The first color I'm going to use is this color right here. But then I'm also just using this big fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to use this as my first transition color. Now that I have a transition color on, I'm going to go ahead and go into the fun colors and unleash my inner artist. So the first crease color I'm going to use is this pink right here in the bottom right hand corner, and I am just going to be using this flat top Avon brush to be just like going right into my crease. Ooh, she pigmented. She real pigmented. And then I am just going to be blending it out with the infamous MAC. Oh my god, what number is it? The number rubbed off, but y'all all know this is the one MAC blending brush. I'll look it up. I swear I will. I'm just going to be blending that out. Okay, so now that we're looking a little bit bold, I'm going to go ahead and do my outer corner, and I'm just going to use like a darker pink for that to create some dimension. So I'm going to be using this color right here, and I'm going to be using the M507 brush from Morphe.
Okay, Bob Ross.
Bobina Ross. And then to blend that in, I'm going to be using this tapered eyeshadow brush. So now we're going to go ahead and cut to the crease. We're going to cut the crease. So if you are a beginner watching this, cutting crease can be very difficult, but I do have a couple products and a couple tips that I can lend to y'all. So my first thing would be to make sure that you're using a really small crease brush. This is the Morphe M421 brush, and this is going to be way easier to cut a crease than using like a bigger one. So the first thing is to use like a really light concealer. So this one is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Pale, and I like this formula for cutting my crease because it dries very quickly. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and put some of that concealer onto my hand, and then I'm going to dip the small concealer brush into it. So I did only cut half the crease. That's because I want to keep the dimension of the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my brow bone highlight before I go back into the lid. So I'm going to be using this color right here and the MAC 239 brush. And then I'm just going to use a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the brow highlight and the pink together. Okay, so I am going to be putting some loose glitter on top just to make it fun, because to be honest, Valentine's Day is like one of the 3 days out of the year that I can look extremely extra. And I'm not missing a chance to wear glitter. This is in the shade I don't know if it's 3. There's a lot of different numbers on here. I'm just on top of my lid. I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to use that same small concealer brush. I'm just going to clean it off. And I'm just going to be putting on that glitter primer first and then going in with the glitter. And then I'm still going to be taking the small crease brush, dipping it in there, and I'm just going to be patting the glitter onto my lid. Look at that. Can you see it? I literally can't. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and hit my lower lash line. I'm going to be using the same colors that I used on my eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye first and put my lashes on, and then I will see you guys in just 1 second. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm just going to go ahead and do my foundation. Because this is a Valentine's Day look, it's one of the only days of the year that I get to look extra, I am going to put this little heart sticker on here. Okay, so I'm going to do my contour, and I'm going to do a cream contour first, and then I'm going to put powder on top of it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set that powder and start baking. I'm going to put a chef hat on myself when I say that. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting blush on, and since pink is the month of... Whoa! February is the month of pink, I'm using this super dark and pigmented blush from JUVIA'S Place. That's really all I had to say. Like in the last video, I'm just putting BECCA Opal liquid underneath, and then I'm going to put the Prosecco Pop powder on top. I'm just now realizing I haven't done my inner corner highlight yet, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go in with a color from James's palette, because this is the James Charles Valentine's Day tutorial. I'll probably use, I'm going to use this one right here. It's time for lips. This is a nude liquid lip from M Cosmetics. To be honest, I don't really know where it came from. If you're watching this on your, this is yours, just borrowing it for this. Okay, and then just to highlight my lips a little bit, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade On Board. And I'm just going to be taking that on the inside of my lips. I'm going to be using the Moroccan Oil Shimmering Body Oil just all over my chest and shoulders. Getting that
glazed donut look.
One of my friends was like, can your fans be called the glazed donuts? And I was like, oh, all three of you? Yeah. Sure. All-nighter spray time. I'll never not put that effect on it. Again, we're using the Prosecco Pop Pressed Highlighter. Get out of here. I'm struggling. Wow, true friends. Y'all want to know where I'm going after this? It's really, what's a good word? It's really adventurous. I'm afraid to tell you guys. I'm going to the library to study for my stats exam on Monday. Woo! Okay, this is the completed look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. The amount of support that I got on my first video was honestly unreal, and you know, if you support me with this fun little hobby of mine, I am just like so entirely grateful. It seriously means everything. But I hope that you guys all have a great Valentine's Day no matter what you're doing. You know, you deserve to put some pink bold colors on your eyelids. And if you do decide to try this look, please send me a picture. It would literally mean so much. I'd freak out, and we'd be best friends forever, whether you like it or not. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Seriously, I just trail on and on. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Sisters.
I mean, it is a James Charles palette. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this glowy, glitzy, Hey guys, welcome. Oh, I didn't like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys. I swear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Gotta not think about it too much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I was doing so well. Okay. I have to think about what I'm gonna say. The intro is honestly the hardest part.